everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a bunny. Let's start. First draw something like this. Then draw a back one. Now a curve. And now a line like that. Now let's do the next part. Draw another one, a C, from here to here. And then in that C, draw a dark circle. Now draw a line. And then another one. Then up the line. And then right here, draw a line. Now here, another line. And here, draw something like that. Now a C, like that. And the back thing. And up. And the line. And another back line. Now on a line like this. And the line like this. The line back. Oopsies, it's like that, but that's okay. Now a swan like that. We're done. Now we'll color it brown and black. We're started to color. We're almost done coloring black. Now we'll color brown. Now, and then you can add some more colors like red and other stuff. Make sure you make it pretty. Bye!